Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delightful cake jars, an easy and fun way to enjoy your favorite dessert. We'll cover everything from preparing your ingredients to perfectly layering them in jars. This guide will help you create beautiful, portable treats that are perfect for gifts or personal enjoyment. Get ready to transform simple cake into a charming, layered masterpiece. First, let's get our components ready. You can bake a cake from scratch or use a store-bought one. Either works perfectly. Next, prepare your frosting. A good rule of thumb is to have about 1 cup of frosting for every 2 jars. Finally, select your toppings, like colorful sprinkles or fresh berries, and gently crumble your cake into small, bite-sized pieces. Now for the fun part, layering. Begin by placing a generous layer of crumbled cake at the bottom of your clean jar. Then, pipe or spoon a smooth layer of frosting over the cake. Don't be shy with the frosting. Next, add a sprinkle of your chosen toppings. Repeat these layers, alternating cake, frosting, and toppings until your jar is almost full. Once your layers are complete, leave about 1 inch of space from the top of the jar. This prevents any mess when you seal it. Securely place the lid on your jar, ensuring it's airtight to keep everything fresh. These delightful cake jars can be refrigerated for up to 5 days. They're perfect for a quick dessert or a thoughtful gift for someone special.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.